Did you know that choosing the right meat can completely change your diabetes control and protect your heart? Today, we're going to reveal which meats are the best allies for stabilizing blood sugar and, of course, teach you how to prepare delicious and healthy meals. So, subscribe to the channel right now because this content will transform your health and you won't want to miss a thing. Choosing the right meats to include in your diet is a key part of managing diabetes. This happens because the proteins present in meat are important for the body, as they help in the formation and recovery of body tissues, promote satiety, and have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. However, not all meat is created equal. For people with diabetes, opting for lean meats is essential, as they contain less saturated fats. These fats, when consumed in excess, can increase the risk of heart disease, something that is already more common in those with diabetes. Lean meats, such as skinless chicken breast, lean cuts of beef, and fish rich in omega-3, are choices that help both control blood sugar and promote cardiovascular health. Furthermore, the way the meat is prepared is also very important. Grilled, roasted, or boiled meat preserves more nutrients and avoids excess fat, unlike fried meat or meat with fatty sauces. For older diabetics, who may have specific nutritional needs, making healthy meat choices can help improve quality of life and prevent future complications. Chicken breast. Skinless chicken breast is one of the best options for diabetics, especially for elderly people who seek to maintain a balanced and healthy diet. This cut of meat is an excellent source of lean protein, which helps maintain muscle mass, which is important as you age. Additionally, chicken breast is low in fat, especially when the skin is removed, making it a safe choice for those who need to take care of their heart health. One of the great benefits of chicken breast is that it helps stabilize blood glucose levels. This occurs because the proteins present in meat are digested slowly, which reduces the speed at which carbohydrates are absorbed and, consequently, prevents spikes in blood sugar. This characteristic is crucial for those with diabetes, as controlling blood glucose is one of the main objectives of the diet. To prepare chicken breast in a healthy way, it is important to avoid fried foods. Prefer methods such as grilling, roasting, or cooking. Grilling chicken with natural herbs such as rosemary or oregano not only maintains flavor but also increases nutritional value. By combining it with fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or cauliflower, you create a balanced meal that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Another advantage of chicken breast is its versatility. It can be used in soups, salads, stir-fries, and even fillings for healthy sandwiches. This allows you to vary your menu without losing the benefits of a balanced diet. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritious and tasty option that should be present in the diet of all diabetics, especially the elderly. It is known to be one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that offers numerous health benefits. These fatty acids help improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for controlling diabetes. Furthermore, omega-3s reduce inflammation in the body, something very common in people with diabetes, and protect the heart, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. For seniors, including salmon in the diet is a way to ensure high-quality protein consumption without compromising heart health. Additionally, salmon contains important nutrients, such as vitamin D, which supports bone health, and selenium, which strengthens the immune system. The best way to prepare salmon is to bake or grill it, avoiding the use of excess oils and fats. A simple and healthy recipe is to season the salmon with lemon, garlic, and herbs such as dill or parsley, and bake it in the oven. This preparation maintains the fish's nutrients and enhances its natural flavor. For a complete and balanced meal, pair salmon with sides like grilled zucchini, steamed broccoli, or cauliflower rice. These vegetables are rich in fiber, which helps slow the absorption of sugar into the blood, making the dish even more suitable for diabetics. Another benefit of salmon is that it is easy to digest, making it an excellent option for elderly people who may have difficulty eating heavier meats. Furthermore, its mild flavor pairs well with a variety of seasonings and side dishes, allowing it to be incorporated into the diet in different ways. Pork loin. Pork loin is a meat that is often underestimated when it comes to diabetic diets, but it is actually an excellent option for those looking for a balanced diet. This particular cut is considered lean, meaning it contains little fat, especially saturated fats, which can be harmful to cardiovascular health. For people with diabetes, this is a huge advantage, as one of the main goals of the diet is to protect the heart and control blood sugar levels. In addition to being a rich source of protein, pork loin also offers important nutrients such as iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which help with energy production and the proper functioning of the body. For the elderly, this is an additional benefit, as protein is essential for preserving muscle mass, which naturally decreases with aging. The way you prepare the pork loin makes all the difference. The ideal is to roast, grill, or slow cook it, methods that keep the fat content low and preserve the nutrients. One tip is to season it with natural herbs, such as rosemary, thyme, and garlic, which help to add flavor without the need for high-calorie sauces or a lot of salt. For an even more complete meal, pair pork tenderloin with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, peppers, or cauliflower. These side dishes are rich in fiber, which helps control blood sugar by slowing the absorption of sugar into the blood. Another interesting idea to vary the preparation is to use pork loin in soups or stews. When cooked together with vegetables such as pumpkin, carrots, and spinach, tenderloin becomes a light, nutritious, and comforting dish, perfect for seniors who prefer softer, easier-to-chew meals. Filet mignon. Filet mignon is a beef that stands out for its tenderness and mild flavor, but in addition, it is also an incredibly healthy option for people with diabetes, especially the elderly. It is considered one of the leanest cuts of red meat, which means it is very low in saturated fat. This is important, as excess fat can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, something that is already a concern for those living with diabetes. The main advantage of filet mignon for diabetics is its high quantity of quality proteins. Protein helps stabilize blood glucose levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates in the body, preventing blood sugar spikes. In addition, proteins also promote the feeling of satiety, helping to avoid unhealthy snacks throughout the day. To maximize the benefits of filet mignon, it is essential to prepare it in a healthy way. Choose to grill or roast the meat, avoiding the use of excess butter or oils. You can season it with garlic, black pepper, and a pinch of salt, or add a touch of fresh herbs, such as parsley or basil, for a special flavor. A great accompaniment to filet mignon is high-fiber, low-carb vegetables, such as sautéed spinach, steamed broccoli, or mashed cauliflower. These foods not only complement the dish, but also help keep blood sugar levels under control. Another option is to serve thinly sliced filet mignon over a salad with green leaves and raw vegetables, creating a light and nutritious meal, ideal for dinner. For the elderly, filet mignon is an excellent choice also because of its soft texture, which makes chewing and digestion easier, making it an ideal meat for all ages. Birds, poultry, such as chicken, turkey, and duck, are sources of protein that cannot be missing from a diabetic's diet. Chicken and turkey are widely recognized as lean and healthy options, low in fat and high in quality proteins. These characteristics make these meats ideal choices for those who need to control their blood sugar levels and take care of their heart health. Duck is an interesting alternative for those who want to vary their menu, but it is important to remember that it has a higher fat content compared to chicken and turkey. However, the fats in duck are predominantly monounsaturated, which means they can provide heart health benefits when consumed in moderation. Therefore, duck can be included in the diet occasionally, as long as it is prepared in a healthy way and accompanied by light foods. Chicken and turkey are extremely versatile and can be used in a multitude of dishes. You can grill chicken or turkey fillets, bake with natural seasonings, or even use them in soups and salads. These meats can be combined with vegetables, such as zucchini, carrots, or leafy greens, to create balanced, nutrient-rich meals. When it comes to preparing duck, the best method is roasting, as this helps to reduce some of the fat present in the meat. Before roasting, you can marinate the duck with lemon juice, garlic, and herbs such as thyme and rosemary, which adds a special flavor and keeps the meat tender. To balance the meal, serve the duck with low-carb sides, such as pumpkin puree or sautéed spinach. Regardless of which bird you choose, the important thing is to pay attention to portion sizes and avoid fried preparations or preparations with fatty sauces. For seniors, birds are an excellent source of proteins that help preserve muscle health and maintain energy levels throughout the day, contributing to a healthier and more active life. What if I told you that there are meats that are undervalued, but very rich in nutrients, that can give your health a real boost? Yes, I'm talking about organ meats. Stay with me, because you'll discover how they can be the key to controlling diabetes and strengthening your immunity. Organ meats. Organ meats like liver, kidneys, and heart are often overlooked, but in fact, they are a true nutritional powerhouse. These foods are extremely rich in essential vitamins and minerals that play a key role in the health of the body, especially for people with diabetes. Among the most important nutrients are vitamins A, D, E, K, and B12. The vitamin A is essential for eye and skin health and to strengthen the immune system, helping to protect the body against infections. Vitamin D helps regulate insulin sensitivity, a crucial aspect of diabetes management. Furthermore, it is important for bone health, especially in the elderly. A vitamin E and K, they contribute to heart health and good blood circulation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications, which are common in diabetics. Vitamin B12 and indispensable for energy production, maintenance of the nervous system, and regulation of blood glucose levels. In addition to these vitamins, organ meats are also rich in iron, which fights anemia, and selenium, which has antioxidant properties and helps the immune system function. For seniors, organ meats are an excellent way to obtain these nutrients, especially if they have difficulty consuming other sources. However, many people may not like the more intense flavor of these meats. In this case, a practical solution is to mix them with ground meat to make meatballs, burgers, or stuffing. Another alternative is to use them in more spicy dishes, such as stews, sauces, or recipes inspired by international cuisine, such as curries. Seasonings help balance the strong flavor of these meats, making them more palatable. It is important to consume organ meats in moderation, as they are more nutrient-dense and have a slightly higher cholesterol content. To include these meats in your diet in a healthy way, prioritize the balance with other foods, such as fiber-rich vegetables, which complement the meal and help stabilize blood sugar levels. The way meats are prepared is just as important as the type of meat you choose. Healthy preparation methods help preserve nutrients, keep fat content low, and ensure the meal is blood sugar friendly. Grilling. This technique is one of the best, as it allows the natural fat of the meat to drain, reducing the calorie content of the dish. It is ideal for lean cuts such as chicken breast, pork loin, and filet mignon. To roast. When roasting meats in the oven, you can maintain flavor and juiciness without the need to add oils or butter. Adding fresh herbs and vegetables to roast is one way to increase the nutritional value of the meal. Steam or slow cook. These methods are perfect for tougher meats or for recipes like stews and soups. In addition to preserving nutrients, they ensure that the meat is tender and easy to chew, which is ideal for the elderly. On the other hand, fried foods should be avoided whenever possible. This is because the oil used in frying adds unnecessary calories and can increase cholesterol levels, in addition to impairing blood sugar control. Ready-made and industrialized sauces should also be left aside, as they often contain high levels of sugar and sodium, which can be harmful to your health. Preparing meat in a healthy way does not mean giving up flavor. The use of natural seasonings, such as garlic, onion, lemon, fresh herbs and spices such as turmeric and paprika, helps to enhance the flavor of the dish without compromising its nutritional quality. For a meal to be complete, balanced, and truly diabetes-friendly, it is essential to combine meat with low-carb vegetables. These vegetables are rich in fiber, which plays an important role in digestion and regulating blood sugar levels. Broccoli and cauliflower. These vegetables are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help control blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Both can be steamed, roasted, or used in purees to accompany meats. Spinach and leafy greens. In addition to being sources of iron and vitamin C, leafy greens are light and easy to digest, making them a perfect addition to any dish. Sautéing them with olive oil and garlic is a simple and tasty way to prepare them. Zucchini and eggplant. These vegetables are versatile and can be grilled, stuffed, or roasted alongside meats, adding texture and flavor to meals. All these vegetables help not only with digestion, but also with the feeling of satiety, reducing the desire to consume foods rich in carbohydrates. For seniors, adequate fiber intake also promotes intestinal health, preventing problems such as constipation. Although meat is an essential part of the diet, it is essential to consume it in moderation and within a balanced eating plan. Excess of any type of food can be harmful, and the secret to a healthy diet lies in the balance between proteins, vegetables, and other food groups, such as whole grains and healthy fats. For older people with diabetes, a balanced diet can help keep blood glucose levels stable, preserve energy throughout the day, and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. It is important to vary the types of meat consumed, including options such as chicken, fish, lean red meat, and organ meats, to ensure a wide range of nutrients. Furthermore, staying hydrated, practicing moderate exercise, and having regular follow-up with a nutritionist or doctor can significantly improve your quality of life. Remember that healthy eating doesn't have to be tasteless. With creativity in the kitchen and conscious choices, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals every day. Now that you know the best meats and the secrets to a balanced diet, are you ready to transform your health by eating well every day? Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive more incredible tips like these. And remember, the right choice in the kitchen can be the first step towards a healthier and happier life.